Welcome back, dear students of class 4th in your computer classes. So you know very well that we are on lesson number 4th and this is our second part. We have done our first part in our last video. So let's have a quick revision on the topics that we have covered in our last video. So in our last video we have a short introduction about internet. So can you tell me what is internet? Yes, it is a global system of interconnected computer networks, and we came to know about different uses of internet. So in that we have covered some internet terms. What were those? www, okay, World Wide Web. Then another one is website, okay, the website. Then web pages, we know about web page, home page, okay, home page. Then hyperlink, URL. What is URL? Uniform resource locator. About web browser. What are web browser? It is a special software or programs that lets you to view all the beautiful pictures, text, 3D images, video, animations present in the website, okay. And some popular websites also we have seen in that. So some of them were Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Internet Explorer, okay, etc. So in this video we are going to start our next topic, that is how to open a website in web browser. You can come on page number 58. So to open a website on the computer, type the address of the website in the address bar of the web browser. So let's learn about Microsoft Internet Explorer. Okay, now Microsoft Internet Explorer on page number 59. So it has been the most widely used web browser since 1999. That means from 1999 we are using this web browser, and it is a part of MS Windows operating system. So it can be opened in two ways. What are those ways? First of all, click the start button, all programs and Internet Explorer simply. Okay. So here are the three steps, and the alternatively second step is to first of all click the Internet Explorer, from where we will get it from the quick launch bar on the system tray. Okay. As you click on this icon, the Internet Explorer window appears, in which you can open any website. For example, look at the following screen of the Internet Explorer, which is given in your book, and showing a website. Okay, so let us learn about various components of Internet Explorer window. So here are different types of different components of MS Windows. Okay, so there we will study about them one by one. So first of all we are going to consider and to learn about address bar. As the name also indicates, the address of a website is typed in the address bar of the address bar. After writing the address, enter key is pressed to open the website. Okay, here you can see the address bar, it is given here separately. So it contains two buttons, refresh button. What does it mean and what is the use of refresh button? Is to, if we are uh, clicked to the refresh button, so what is the use of it? Start reloading the particular web page or site when that particular website or web page is not getting completely open due to some reason. We don't know, any type of reason may there, and if it is taking the time or taking creating the problem in loading, so we can select the refresh button and it will start reloading. Then second one is stop button. If we want to stop any downloading and it is still downloading, not downloaded, so we can stop it. So if a hyperlink is clicked by mistake, you can stop it by clicking the stop button. Now back button and forward button, we will see the difference between both of them. So back button, suppose you have opened different web pages in the same window, and now you want to go back where you were working. So you have to click on the back button. The back button is used to go backward from current page to the previous page. Likewise, forward button is just opposite of back button. So forward button is available only after you click the back button. It is used to go forward in the direction opposite to the backward. Okay. Now followed by command button, command bar. So the command bar contains several buttons on it. These buttons are used to make browsing faster and easier. Some of them are home button, okay. Then print button is used to take out the printouts of the pages or the documents. And help button, if you want to take any help on the Internet Explorer, then it can be used. Favorite button, sometimes you find a particular website very interesting and you want to save it, so the URL address of this particular site in the web browser with the help of the this button, okay. Then tabs, here are the tabs. Next one, different websites can be opened at the same time using tabs. So click the new tab button and you get a new tab to open another website. Recent pages button, it shows a list of recently opened websites. History button, as the name also indicates, the list also contains a history about button that shows the list of web pages you have visited during a particular number of days or weeks. One thing you have to note down, so internet is a short form of the technical term international network, okay. It is the short form of the technical term international network, and the internet is also often refers as the net, okay. That I think you know very well. So now you can turn your page, and our next topic is how to search on internet, okay. So there are millions of websites and web pages available on the internet, okay. They contain information on almost all the subjects and topic. We also know that if we want to find out any extra information about a particular topic, okay, so we certainly go on the internet to search it. So it is always possible, it is not always possible to know the address of all the websites that contain information about any particular subject, okay. We cannot remember, and or we can say we can remember only a limited number of addresses of websites. So for this purpose we have to use search engines and directories. Now question comes in the mind, what are search engines? So search engines are those websites that search information according to the words or terms written by you, okay. Automatically they catch up the words. Some of the popular search engines are Yahoo, Google, Ask, Bing. So these are some of the search engines. Suppose you want to search latest sport records on the internet, open a search engine with your browser, and for example open www.yahoo.com and type latest sports records in the space provided for writing search term. Press enter or click Yahoo search button. In the same way, you can search for books, games, or anything, news, songs, jokes, and movies, or any other topics of your choice. Whatever you want to search, you can type there and you can see, okay. So here your chapter ends, and the search engine was a very important topic in your chapter, and you have to revise the topics that we have covered today as well as in our previous video. And this was all about internet and its technical terms. So what is your homework? Your homework is to read and revise the topics, and try to do the sort out the exercises. And even in our next video, whenever we are having our next class, so there we will discuss about the exercise also, okay. Till then, take care.